Jane in Singapore, and she's going to let you know all about what she does in life and what she does on a Monday to make a difference.
Well, this week coming up, I finally got to launch our brand new project. The United Nations say that 40 million slaves are in the world today, 40 million. So I wanted to do something about it. So I invented something called the Green Barcode Project. And you have a look up online and that's it. And every product in the world has a barcode. Some are black and some are other colours. And we're suggesting to the United Nations that they make their barcodes green to guarantee products are slave-free.
Wow.
So then I can look at chocolate or coffee or something like this and go, that didn't have slaves. Everyone that owns a telephone owns a slave. Everyone that owns a car owns a slave. If you drink coffee, you own a slave. So it's not too much to ask that our products be slave-free. So the Green Barcode Project, we launched it this week, so I'm so excited. That's my week. Changing the world.
That's amazing. Changing the world. One green barcode at a time.
Green barcode.
So look out for them, and you can make a difference as well. Make a difference to your week and buy those green barcoded.
M.A.D Mondays. Watch her every Monday on M.A.D Mondays.
Well done. Thank you.